జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. సీతమ్మ looking at that path in which Rama has gone to bring deer. On other side, Ravanasura, who is in the form of sannyasi, he is talking to Sithamma and he is asking so many questions to Sithamma. Sithamma looking at other side for Rama and Lakshmana. Wherever she is looking, nowhere from Rama and Lakshmana is coming. But it is all dreadful big forest. That is what Sithamma getting to see, but not Lakshmana and Rama. Here Sithamma has to answer all the questions which are asked by Ravanasura. Sithamma also thinking that if I do not answer any of the questions of this Brahmanottama, because Sithamma thinking that he is real sannyasi, he is real Brahmanottama, she thought if I don't answer, if I don't respond, sepetamam, he may curse me. So that is why I have to answer. Like that Sithamma thought, and also Sithamma felt I have to tell this Brahmanottama as it is, everything true. Like that Sithamma felt and started responding back to that Brahmana, saying that, "Oh Brahmanottama, Duhita Janakasyaham, I am the daughter of Janaka Maharaju. Sita Namnasmi, my name is Sita. I am Rama's wife. Oh Brahmanottama, after I got married, almost about 12 years, I was very happy in my in-laws' house. And then in 13th year, my father-in-law, Dasaratha Maharaju, decided to do Pattabhishekam to my husband Rama. Almost all the arrangements are going on for that Pattabhishekam. At that time, my mother-in-law, Kaikeyi Nama Bhartaram Aryasa Yachate Varam. Kaikeyi, my mother-in-law, she asked 2 boons from my father-in-law. Because sometime back, my mother-in-law Kaikeyi helped my father-in-law Dasaratha Maharaju. At that time, he promised that he would give 2 boons. Those 2 boons now Kaikeyi is asking to Dasaratha Maharaju. The first boon is Mama Pravrajanam Bhartuhu. Send Rama to the forest. That is first boon. O Brahmanottama, and my mother-in-law asked for second boon is Bharatasya Abhishechanam. Her son Bharata should be coronated. The Pattabhishekam should be done to Bharata. Like this, 2 boons were asked by Kaikeyi, and also she, on top of that, she said, "O Maharaja, if you do not grant me those 2 boons now, adya bhokshye, I am not going to eat. Nacha swapsye, I am not going to sleep. Na pasye cha kadhanchana, I am not going to drink even water also. Eshame jivitasyanto, right now I will die in front of you if you don't grant me those 2 boons." That is how my mother-in-law Kaikeyi became so stubborn and forced my father-in-law Dasaratha Maharaju. Like this, Sithamma giving all her details as it is to this Brahmana who is Ravanasura in real form. Sithamma does not know that this is Ravana, because Ravana is in the form of Brahmana. Now Sithamma saying all her past to this Brahmana, saying that, "Oh Brahmanottama, when my mother-in-law Kaikamma asked for boons, my father-in-law Dasaratha Maharaju tried to convince her in so many ways. He also said, I would give you so much of wealth, so many ornaments and all those things. But Kaikamma did not get convinced at all. Oh Brahmanottama, you know what? By then, at that time, my husband Rama is just 25 years old. Mama bharta Mahateja vayasa panchavimsakaha. He is 25 years old. Ashtadasahi varshani mama janmani ganyate. I am 18 years old. At that time I am 18, he is 25, and we came into this forest. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।